Alright, so my next move is called OHT, or one-handed Tailormade. It's based off of Pincho, which you can learn on our YouTube channel or website. And it was actually something I did kind of unconsciously at the beginning. I didn't really think too much about it, and I slowly started realizing that I was actually doing something new, and I tried to then refine it and come up with a perfect closer. And then after I finished the move, I was wondering about what I should call it, and then I actually thought it looked a little bit similar to my two-handed cut Tailormade, so I just thought about naming it one-handed Tailormade. That's the only reason for the name, but it's a pretty awesome combo move. It works really well with K-packs in like a combo, and yeah, I'm gonna talk more about that later on. Now let's take a look at one-handed Tailormade, or OHT. Now to do my one-handed Tailormade or OHT, you either begin from this modified biddle grip or this modified mechanics grip, where you hold it like so. So if you're here, depending on which one you choose, you're going to do either 1 or 2 rotations. And if you're here, you're just going to do 1 using the ring finger instead of the index finger here. And this is very similar to my move Pincho, which you can learn on our website or YouTube channel. But yeah, you use your ring finger to do the rotation, and you sort of extend the middle and index. And then when you are here, the middle finger contacts the corner, and by pressing down with the ring finger, you riffle off half of this small packet. Then you just push in your middle finger in between those two, and you maintain the grip with the thumb and pinky, and you push in your middle finger all the way until the edge here contacts down here, and then you're gonna do pretty much Pincho. So you let go with the pinky finger and also the thumb afterwards, and then by curling in your middle finger and sort of placing that on top, just a little bit on top of the index finger, that packet is gonna rotate. And when you're here, you can let go with the thumb of the corner. So now you're in this position, and you can keep curling in your middle finger to align this short edge so that the thumb can take over. Now you're here, and now you're gonna curl in your index finger just a little bit. Then this packet is going to rotate just like Pincho. So I really suggest that you learn that before getting into this. And then you're here, this packet is being clipped between the index, ring, and also pinky, like so. You continue the rotation, and the pinky just moves upwards, closer to the thumb. And at some point, it's gonna let go of that clip, and now it's gonna be held in sort of a modified loose mechanics grip or something, where the ring finger is curled underneath. And then you keep pushing up with the pinky finger until it clears here, the corner clears here, and can be positioned. And you can let go of the pinky. And now it's positioned like so. It's only being held with the index underneath here, and then this part of the thumb. And if you push in with the index just a little bit, it's gonna land like so on the edge of the other packet. Now you can move your index out of the way, and the packet here will still be resting in the palm of the hand and on the edge. And then by moving your hand this way, you can let that 2 of hearts packet fall into the palm, and you can let go sort of with this packet, or at least let go of the sort of betel grip, and then it can rest on the ring finger down here, and this is sort of similar to opening a Charlia cut or something like that. And then you can just place those 2 packets together and either go into a pin show or just grab it like so and go into something else. And that is my one-handed Tailormade. Now, something to keep in mind when you do one-handed Tailormade is the movement of the whole arm itself. So when you split off the packet, not much is happening with the whole arm, but as soon as you get to here, you're gonna move your hand like this and then forwards so that the Jack of Hearts packet here can land on top of the other packet. Then you move your index finger out, and then you move backwards once again, allowing the 2 packets to land and rest in the palm of the hand. And then you can actually move forwards once more, like so. And by keeping those tips in mind, you're going to be able to get sort of a rhythm when you perform the move, and that is very important for one-handed Tailormade.